Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to exchange Rev points for money on Revolut. Now this tutorial will be pretty straightforward and easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you have to do is to open your Revolut app on your phone and then go to the Rev points section in the bottom right. So now once you have clicked on the Rev points section, you will find yourself on this page with your standard plan, your Rev points, and then how much money you spent. Of course, you can upgrade your account if you want, but that's not the concern of this video. We'll just have to scroll down a bit on our page, and here, as you can see, we will have many options like miles, stays, eSIM, shops, and gift cards. Now, what's important here is the gift cards. That's how you can change your ref points into actual gift cards and how to get actual money from your ref points. So click on gift cards, and here you will see yourself on this page. You will have many apps to choose from. So for example, Decathlon, GiftGaff, H&M, Cafe Nero, Airbnb, etc. So there is a lot of choice here. You will just have to choose the app that you want. So of course, this will depend on your country and where you have created your account. Sometimes you may not have the option to change your ref points into gift cards, but you'll just have to change the location of your account to benefit from these apps. So yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.